Why MrBeast channel is so viral in the world. The hidden secret for all YouTubers. Alright guys, listen up. If you live in the United States of America, and you have ever opened YouTube even once, you already know who MrBeast is. The dude is everywhere. Your kid watches him, your little cousin watches him, even your grandma probably saw that one video where he gave away an island. The question is why? Why is MrBeast the guy who cracked the code while millions of other YouTubers are grinding day and night with 10 views and a dream? Let me break it down for you. Brighton English BD YouTube channel, fam, because this is the stuff nobody tells you in those how to grow on YouTube videos. And yeah, I am going to keep it real with you. No fluff, just straight talk, like we are chilling on a porch in Ohio with some sweet tea. First thing you got to understand is that MrBeast treats YouTube like a full contact sport. Most people in America think YouTube should just pick up a camera and talk. Nah, this guy is playing in the NFL while everybody else is doing backyard football. He obsesses over every single second of his videos. He will literally spend 6 months planning one video. 6 months. Think about that. While your boy uploads a vlog every Tuesday because the YouTube gurus told him to be consistent, Jimmy Donaldson is out here storyboarding a video about surviving 100 days in a nuclear bunker like it is Hollywood movie. And that is secret number one right there. He makes YouTube feel bigger than TV. If you grew up in the United States of America, you know how huge Super Bowl commercials are. You remember waiting all year for that one insane moment. MrBeast took that feeling and shoved it into every single upload. Every thumbnail is a punch in the face. Every title makes you go, wait, what? He gives you FOMO so bad that you feel dumb if you skip it. Americans hate missing out. We hate being the last person at the cookout to hear the gossip. So when a video says, I gave 1,000 people $1,000, you click because your brain is screaming, what if this is crazy and I miss it? Now let us talk money, because that is the elephant in the room. People see him giving away cars and houses and think, oh, he is just rich. Bro, he reinvests like a madman. That is the hidden secret for all you YouTubers out there. Most creators make a bag and then buy a Tesla. MrBeast makes a bag and throws the whole thing back into the next video. He said it himself. He will spend $4 million to make $5 million. Then spend the 5 to make 7. It is a snowball that just keeps getting crazier. In America, we respect the hustle. We love the guy who bets on himself. That is why his story hits different. He started in North Carolina with a crappy laptop and $0. He counted to 1,000 in one video just to prove he could outwork anyone. Who does that? A psycho, a genius psycho. And that is exactly what the algorithm loves. YouTube sees people watching for 20 minutes straight and says, oh snap, this is gold. Let us push it to everyone in the United States of America and their dog. But hold up. Money and crazy ideas alone do not make you viral. Here's where it gets juicy. MrBeast understands human psychology better than most college professors. He knows you and me are suckers for three things. We love competition, we love free stuff, and we love seeing regular people win. So, what does he do? He mixes all three like a milkshake. Last one to leave circle wins $500,000. Boom. Competition. Strangers you have never met are suddenly your favorite athletes. You are yelling at your phone like it is the NBA Finals. Then he gives the winner life-changing money. Boom, free stuff dream. And the winner is not a celebrity. It is some dude from Texas who works at a warehouse. Boom, regular person win. Your brain gets lit up like a Christmas tree in New York City. You feel happy. You feel inspired. You subscribe so you do not miss the next one. That is the sauce. He is not just making videos, he is making emotional experiences. And Americans eat that up because we are raised on Hollywood. We want the underdog story, we want the big reveal, we want to cry a little and then text our friend, dude, you got to see this. Another thing people sleep on is his team. You think he is doing this solo. No chance. The guy built an Avengers-level squad. He has friends from childhood who know exactly how he thinks. He has video editors who can make paint, drawing look epic. He has researchers who test thumbnails with thousands of people before a video even drops. That is next level. Most YouTubers in the United States of America are one-man bands trying to film, edit, upload, and promote all before dinner. MrBeast runs his channel like a tech startup mixed with a movie studio. He even has a whole warehouse just to build crazy sets. And here is the kicker for you Brighton English BD YouTube channel creators. He fails constantly, but he fails fast and he learns faster. He posted trash videos for years, and hundreds of them, and he studied analytics like it was the SAT. He would watch his retention graph and see exactly where people clicked off. At 2 minutes, 13 seconds, people got bored. All right, bet. Cut that part next time. He treated YouTube like science. Not art, not vibes, science. That is super American if you think about it. We love data. We love optimization. We love breaking records. Let us talk language for a second because this is huge for growth. MrBeast talks simple, real simple. A fifth grader in Florida can understand every word. He does not use big fancy words. He does not mumble. He does not waste time. First 5 seconds of the video, he tells you exactly why you should stay. In this video, I am buying everything in the store. Done. You are hooked. No 10-minute intro. No, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Americans are busy. We got jobs. We got kids. We got football on Sunday. If you do not respect our time, we are gone. He also dubs his videos in a bunch of languages, but keeps the energy the same. That is why he is global. But his base is still the United States of America. He gets American humor. He gets that we love over-the-top stuff. We love guys who are loud but kind. He will spend $100,000 on a pizza, but then tip the delivery guy $1,000 more. That is the perfect combo for us. Wild and wholesome. Now the hidden secret you are all waiting for. The thing every YouTuber needs to steal. It is not the money. You do not have millions. It is not the team. You do not have 100 employees. The secret is packaging and payoff. Packaging means your idea, thumbnail, and title have to slap so hard that people feel stupid not clicking. Do not make a video called My Trip to the Grand Canyon. That is boring. Make it I survived 24 hours in the hottest place on earth. Same video, different brain reaction. MrBeast will spend weeks just on the thumbnail. He knows you just by the cover. We all do, especially in America, where we have a million choices every second. Payoff means you deliver harder than you promised. If your title says, I bought a car with pennies, you better show the car. You better make it epic. You better give the viewer a story to tell at school tomorrow. Too many YouTubers clickbait and then give you a lame vlog. Audience feels burned. They never come back. MrBeast over-delivers every time. If he says he is giving away an island, there is an actual island. That builds trust. And trust in the United States of America is currency. Another cheat code he uses is stakes. Every video has stakes. Someone wins money. Someone goes home broke. Someone faces a wild challenge. Your brain is wired to care about stakes. It is why we binge reality TV. It is why we gamble on football. It is why we love game shows. No stakes equals no watch time. So, if you are a small creator, ask yourself, what is at risk in my video? If the answer is nothing, then add something. Make it a race. Make it a bet. Make it last one standing. He also understands the power of shorts and cross-promotion. He will cut up his big videos into 60-second bangers and flood TikTok and Instagram. Then those people run to YouTube. It is like free advertising smart. In America, we call that working smarter, not harder. Let me give it to you straight. Brighton English BD crew. You cannot copy MrBeast dollar for dollar, but you can copy his mindset. Obsess over your first 5 seconds. Test your thumbnails with your friends before you post. Make your viewer feel something. Give them a reason to care. And reinvest whatever you make back into the dream. One more thing. He is unapologetically himself. He is a little awkward. He laughs weird. He does not try to be a Hollywood actor. And Americans love that. We do not trust perfect. We trust real. He says dude and bro and oh my gosh, and it works because it is him. So stop trying to sound like a news anchor if you are not one. Talk like you talk to your buddies in California or Miami or Chicago. The last piece is consistency of quality, not just uploads. People say post every day. MrBeast says post when it is amazing. He once took a month off to make one video better. And guess what? That video did 200 million views. Would you rather have 30 mediocre videos or one banger that changes your life? In the United States of America, we go big or go home. So to wrap this up for the Brighton English BD YouTube channel family, the reason MrBeast is viral is not luck. It is not just money. It is a mix of crazy ideas, stupid work ethic, deep respect for the viewer, and a brain that thinks like a scientist and an entertainer at the same time. He figured out that YouTube is not about you. It is about the person watching. What do they want? What will make them click? What will make them stay? What will make them share it with their group chat? Answer those questions better than anyone else and you win. You do not need $1 million to start. You need $1 million idea and the guts to test it until it works. Start small. Film a challenge in your backyard. Make the stakes real. Make the thumbnail fire. Cut every boring second and see what happens. America loves a winner. America loves a story. MrBeast gave us both. Now it is your turn. Stop watching, start building, and maybe one day kids in Texas will be watching your videos at the dinner table. That is the real secret. It was never hidden. He just wanted it more, and he proved it on camera every single time. Go get it.